885 crores is the expected investment, and employment generation potential is 2,133. Of the 15 projects for which in principle permission has been given, in principle approval has been given, 7 are industry projects and 8 are hospitality. Of the 7 which are industry project, Glenmark is one, which is pharma. Alcon is another in tiles. Then Tienda is one, it is ESDM. Jyoti Electricals is electrical goods. Then there are 2 fish processing units. And Ashron Technology is another ESDM. 2 ESDM, 2 fish processing, 1 pharma, 1 tiles and 1 electrical goods. Of the hospitality project, सरकारचे 2 GTDCचे ब्रिटोना आणि रोपवे, आणि उरलेले 1 2 3 4 5 6 आर हॉस्पिटॅलिटी.
सरकारान आग्वाद रोपवे एप्रूव्ह केल्या. रोपवे खातीर 100 कोटी खर्च जातलो. 700 नवे जॉब्स तयार जातले.
So they are preparing the detailed drawings. So once the detailed drawing, the concept was presented to them. The detailed drawings and the final drawings is being worked out. So for that, what was happened was they had to do soil investigation testing, and they were under the impression that the project has started. Project has not started. It is only soil investigation, so that the project can be designed. No, without understanding the soil, how can you design the project? So basically, what was happening there is the soil investigation. So now they are coming with a detailed design of the project. Once that is done, we will officially communicate to CCP and we will explain to them what the project is. And it's a government project, it is not a private project. We have just held hold of a partner to facilitate the project.
पुढंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आणि विजय निलेश परवार.